Hi, Dindo.
Hi, hello.
Yeah, so for sure, we're now on our third night of wait for Miss Nora Honor. What can you say is your first memory of meeting her?
Meeting her sa FAMAS Award, I think this was about 4 or 5 years ago. She was supposed to get the Lifetime Achievement Award again. Hindi siya makakyat and I was the one na I was supposed to be the winner. So, nalalayang ko siya. That's my first time personally. I never had the chance to work.
Oh, really?
But we are in the same church, MCGI, yung dating daan.
Nagkita na kayo sa church
nakita
before?
na kami nun, pero we never
Oo.
got to have a chance na working with each other. And then, brief talks lang lahat. Kaya lang, frustration ko is that I wanted to work with her. Yun yung dream ko. Kasi lahat ng action stars and big stars nagawan ko yun. Except Nora.
Kaya
Wilma.
nagulat ako because you work in so many films na rin eh.
Unfortunately, she died before I want that dream to come.
Oo, sayang no, siguro kung nag-viva siya, nag-crush yung paths niya eh. Marami
But
kang viva ngayon.
she was looking forward din na sana nga magkatrabaho. She was looking for a project lang. Wala lang talaga na siya.
So Dindo, aside from Himala, ano yung masasabi mong works niya na nagustuhan mo?
Himala will always be the
Of course,
classic.
init na yun.
And then, yung the one with nakabelo siya, tapos he was talking about My Brother's Not a Pig.
Yeah, yung Floor
movie.
Contemplation.
That
Yeah.
Galing na doon. Basically, ang pinakamasakit dito is, like what I said noon, wala nang papalit sa FPJ, wala nang papalit sa Kevin Fernandez. Ito na naman, wala nang papalit sa isang superstar na how I wish. Talaga, how I wish nakatrabaho ko siya. And, but at least now, she's with the Lord. And masaya na rin ako.
So, last question. You mentioned nga na walang papalit sa kanya. Aside from her eyes na, di ba, nangungusap, yun yung kilala si Nora for that. Ano sa tingin mo yung nagpapa-unique sa kanya na wala?
Heart. Tsaka ano siya, thinking actor yan. Marunong siya. She can come up with a role na emotions. Talaga it's a gift. It's a gift. Hindi natuturo, hindi rin napag-aaralan. Talagang hindi mo kayang layayan. Kasi yun nga gift. Nasa puso at saka yung ang galing. Genius.
Yeah.
Genius actress. Yan lang.
Thank you.